Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by identifying the problem and acting fast. First, check which bird species and which plants are affected, because behavior guides tactics. Once done, drape lightweight netting with 1/4 to 1/2 inch mesh over vulnerable plants and secure edges so birds can't slip underneath. Make sure to add reflective elements, streamers, reflective tape, or old CDs, so birds hesitate before approaching. You're combining immediate physical barriers with visual deterrents to reduce losses while you implement longer-term solutions. Next, build persistence into your defenses so birds don't habituate. Set up predator decoys, owl or hawk models, and reposition them every 2 to 3 days. Motion or unpredictability keeps birds wary. Then change the habitat. Move vulnerable pots, stagger plantings so not everything fruits at once, and prune to reduce perches. Where appropriate, apply bird-safe taste repellents following label directions. This discourages pecking without harm. By combining behavioral, physical, and chemical tactics, you reduce visits and protect yields over the season. Finish by auditing and fine-tuning your system so protections hold. You should inspect netting for tears and anchors for loosening. Repair gaps immediately, because birds exploit the smallest opening. If birds return, increase unpredictability by adding intermittent sound makers, moving decoys more often, and varying reflective items. Make sure to rotate strategies so birds don't learn safety. If problems persist despite humane measures, contact local wildlife control for region-specific legal advice. A quick troubleshooting tip: small gaps are the most common.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.